Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So in the previous one we have seen how this RFID module works. So in this video we are going to implement it in a door unlocking system. So we are going to make an RFID based door unlocking system. So without any delay, let's kick off today's video. For this project we are going to use the Arduino Uno and RFID module. This is the same RFID module that we have used in the previous video, and then we need some number of buzzers and LED, some jumper wires, as well as in this one we are going to use our gate mechanism. Okay, so now let's do the circuit connection, and the circuit diagram is already given. There is a link in the description, you can check out that for the circuit diagram as well as for the Arduino code. Okay, so let me connect the circuit according to the diagram, and the circuit looks something like this. This is exactly same like the previous video. Here in this case we just have to connect one extra thing, that is the servo. So let me get my gate mechanism, and this one I made a long time ago if you remember. So this is a gate mechanism with a servo, and that is connected to the gate. Here I have already made a video on how to make this gate mechanism. You can check out the description, there is a link you can follow and you can check out this video. So now let me connect the servo of this gate mechanism to the Arduino. So just the VCC and ground of the servo to the B in and ground of this Arduino Uno to be connected, and the signal pin of the servo will be connected to the D5 pin of the Arduino Uno, just like this. So now I need to do some small modifications so that I can connect my RFID sensor. So I am adding this small piece of sunboard near the front side of the door, and this is where I am going to place that RFID sensor. Okay, so now let me add the sensor to the front side just like this, and this is a bracket kind of thing I have made. So clearly this can hold the RFID sensor, as well as the buzzer and the light setup is also in the front side. Okay, so now let's test this one, but before that we need to upload the code for the RFID based door unlocking system. In the initial part I have added this liquid crystal library, but as we are not using the LCD in this project, this part is for your reference only. Then we have this include SPI.h. This is for the RFID sensor part, and these are the pins declared for the RFID sensor. Then we have this green LED and red LED in pin number D6 and D7. Then in the board setup part we have the servo attached to D5 pin, and these are the parts for the LCD display where we can get some initial display value. Then in the pin mode we have declared the LEDs as output, and SPI begin, serial println, all these part we have already discussed. In the void loop part, in the LCD will give you some initial instructions. After that, this part will used to read the value or UID tag of the card or the keychain. Then we have this if else condition that we have used. So in case if it will detect some particular value, that is this card number, then authorized access will be given and LCD will print that this value, or the LED will glow and the door will be open, and after 5 seconds of delay the door will be automatically closed. Otherwise the access will be denied and the buzzer will ring and wrong password will be shown. This thing will happen. Then we have this function of servo open and close for the part, and you can check out this part. So that's all about the coding part. Now let's go to the tools and we'll select our Arduino Uno and COM port and upload it to your Arduino Uno. Now let's see how this thing is working. So in the box we get one card and one keychain type RFID tag. So this card is registered with this Arduino. So when I'm showing this keychain, you can see the buzzer is ringing and door is not opening. But in case I am trying to show the card, you can see that the LED is glowing as well as the door is opening, and after 5 seconds the door will be closed automatically. Okay, just like that. Let's do it again. Okay, so I am showing the card, the light is glowing and the door is opening. In 5 seconds it will be closed again. Done. So that's all about it, and I think this video is helpful for you. Then don't forget to click on that like button, share it with your friends, and if you have any thoughts, suggestions or any doubts, the comment section is all yours. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get some instant notifications. And that's all about it. See you in the next one. Till then, be cool, walk smart.